This is good, a great time. Yes, we're home. Yes. Oh, and is this the beach that's your home? Wait, this is my home? Yes. Could you look at that? This place is amazing. Oh, yeah. Oh, and I remember that time that I sent you to the beach in Kissimmee, Florida, and you say, oh yeah, but maybe about this later. Yeah. Greetings. Oh, wait. A new hero. By the way, why are you doing here? I'm gonna join with you guys. This time, my friend Rumple. Oh, it's nice to meet you, Rumple. I can't understand. I can't speak monsters. He's not a monster. Well, and this time, man. Please just a moment. But at this time, the pirate villains army are sabotaging the race at the Los Angeles, California Speedway. And I saw them at the second episode. So, how long? Oh yeah, sure. I am the American spy, and I am too. I don't get it. Ooh. Oh, great, we're in the beach, and Captain detail us that we destroyed Camp Wookiee Opera. Yeah, check this place. Yeah, Captain D, how long is it gonna take? Yeah, and by the way, what time is it? It's 10:24 a.m. Gee, it's getting late. This time. We're the pirate villains, and we are going to rule the world together. We shall rule the world. Do it again. We shall rule the world. We shall rule the world. We shall rule the world. Okay, good. So, let's start. Let's go find the spies on the beach. Yes, sir. Yeah, hi, historian. I was born here first, and this time, and I got a new friend. Yeah, I remember that time. Yeah, save the world together. So, I'll show you Danny's story. Wait, my story? How? This time. I send you to the beach. Yeah. Well, I'll show you. This is where we started. So, here's young boy. Take him to your home, and they'll be safe. Okay. Come on, young man. Come on, young man. I'll take care of you. Okay, Master Toyota. He's safe now. Good. Over. Now. And let's get back to our spy temple in Green and work together. Yes. And until Danny D. Prime is a grown-up, he's gonna be just like Daniken. Good. Yeah. Just like I was gonna do someday. Yeah. I'm just gonna find him. I don't know where. Wow, this is so cool. I could stay here for a while. This is my new home. And the pirate villain army and the villain Bass will never find me here. Ever. Maybe. I was just Master Toyota. Yes, sir. And we got some bad news. The pirate villains is at our temple. He's about to get our discs of their memories and they became American spies for every years. For right now? Oh my. Don't worry. I must attend a phone to the jet. I'll be right there.